Hmm? Nagatan ko.
Balloon.
Balloon.
Ooh. Ooh.
Are you gonna wake up now? What? What are you doing? Luto-luto? I have your luto-luto already. I have it. It's there outside. You wanna play with it? Yeah? What? What?
Let's go.
Let's go where?
And the door is open. Let's go. Wow, what is that?
What is it?
That's a Loto. And
What else?
the custaya and the spoon.
Oh, get your luto-luto na and open it. How about this? You have presents. See?
That's a good Loto.
Are we gonna open?
Yes.
Okay. So open your luto-luto. This is your old luto-luto, remember? See what's inside the box? Come on, see. What's inside the box?
Ooh.
Who's that? Who's that? Ano yan? Wand mo? Wand? Help mommy help mommy. You hold the box. You hold the box. Open your presents na Ayan your present. What's this? This is from Ninang Klarisse and Kuya Pepe. Oh, open. Open mo. Open mo na. What's inside the gift? What's inside? Come on, open. Parang tulali ka, Beshi.
Yuck.
Yuck. Come on, open. How about this one? Open this also, oh. From Tita Katherine. Ay, this is from Ninang BM pala. This is from Tita Katherine. Ay, nasa yung paper? Oh, I'm gonna...
For Chichi. Chichi's for me. Chichi for me.
Yeah, it's for you.
ABC.
Yeah, it has ABC. Nice. You like it? Wow, looks nice. You like it? You like it? You like it? Yeah? What's the color of your damit?
The ABC. What inside the ABC song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You like the ABC? Strong? Or do you need help? Do you need help? Are you strong? What is it? What is it?
What is it?
Wow, nice. You like it?
Dress.
Dress. It's a shirt. Where's the O? Oh, very good. How about S?
Tio.
Draw.
Eraser.
Which one is the eraser?
Here.
Can I see? Can I try? Can I try if it's really an eraser? Ooh. You like the nom and coffee? Okay. Okay, this is our game today. I have fruits. I have fruits here. And then, wait, give it to me first. And then you should name the fruit and then you cut it in two, okay? Can you get me the knife from your luto-luto, please? Get the knife. Yeah, that's one. That's the one. How about the other one, the chopping board? Where's your chopping board? It's there, I think, in the basket, the red basket, the pink chopping board. Go get it. Come on, hurry up.
This basket.
Yeah, but don't do that. Don't do that. Just get the chopping board. Get the chopping board. Oh, get the basket na lang para ako maghanap. Get the basket. Come on. Get the basket, the red basket. Give it to me. Everything, everything.
I didn't know.
What? Ano? I don't know. You just get the basket. Get the basket. Yan, good. And give it to mommy. Very good. You're a strong baby. Okay? Wait lang. Okay, so the first fruit, Chichi, that we have is this one. What's this?
Apple.
Is it an apple?
Yes.
Okay, chop it there. Chop it.
Oh,
Hindi ka naman ata marunong mag-chop. Chop it. Yeah.
this.
Like that? Okay. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can do it.
My dear.
Mayan.
My dad.
Use the ano kasi, chopping.
You too.
What's that? Pear. How about the other one? This one.
Lemon.
Lemon. How about this one?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. How about this one?
3.
3. That's a broccoli, okay?
Broccoli.
How about this one?
3.
Huh? This is tree? No, it's a grapes.
Good.
Those are grapes.
3 here.
Hmm?
3.
Yeah, that's where it's connected to its vine tree, okay?
3 fire.
How about this one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry. How about this one?
3.
What's that? Ah?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. How about this one?
Yellow pepper.
Bell pepper. How about this one?
Yellow tomato.
Tomato. How about this one?
Apple.
Apple. How about this one?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, that's good. Good job.
I cook rice here. No. No. Let me show you the kids.